Hello children, in this video we are going to see the sixth part of the lesson in the kingdom of fools. Earlier the king ordered his servants to bring him a fat person who fits the stake, and that fat person needs to be executed in this stake. So the servants went in search and they found the fat disciple. Now let us see what happened to the disciple. What have I done wrong? I'm innocent. I'm a sannyasi, he cried. That may be true, but it's a loyal decree. Underline the word decree and write down the meaning official order. Decree means official order. But it is the royal decree that we should find a man fat enough to fit the stake, they said, and carried him to the place of execution. He remembered his wise guru's words. This is a city of fools. You don't know what they will do next. While he was waiting for death, he prayed to his Guru in his heart, asking him to hear his cry wherever he was. The Guru saw everything in a vision. He had magic powers, he could see far, and he could see the future as he could see the present and the past. He arrived at once to save his disciple, who had got himself into such a scrap. Underline the word scrap and write down the meaning. Dangerous situation caused by silly behavior. Dangerous situation caused by silly behavior. Who got himself into such a scrap through love of food. Now, this sannyasi or the disciple is pleading for leaving him, but the gods say it's a court order that we need to find a man good enough to fit in the stake, and you are the only person, so we are going to carry you to the execution spot. That is what the god said. And now this disciple remember the king, sorry, remember his guru's advice. What was the guru's advice? This is a kingdom of fools and we don't know what they will do next. Since it is a kingdom of fool, it is going to cost the life of this disciple. Now the disciple understood that there is no point in talking to these people because they all were fools. So he started praying to his guru in his heart, and he prayed to save him from this fools, and his prayer was listened by his guru, and this guru got some magical powers so he could see what is happening to him, and the guru could even see what that had happened in the past and what is going to happen in the future. So he just appeared in the scene to save his disciple. Let us see how he planned to save his disciple. As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple and told him something in a whisper. Whisper is speak something in a low voice, that is called a whisper. Then he went into the king and asked him, O wisest of kings, who is greater, the Guru or disciple? Of course, the Guru. Nobody doubt about it. Why do you ask? Then put me to the stake first. Put my disciple to death after me. Now the Guru has arrived in the scene, and he scolded the disciple and whispered something in the disciple's ear. He whispered something or he said something in a low voice to the disciple. And after that, he went directly to the foolish king. And in front of the foolish king, the Guru started speaking that you are the wisest king and you need to say me who is best, whether the Guru is best or the disciple is best. The king said, the Guru is the best one. For that, the Guru replied, since I am the best one, I need to be executed first in the stake, and after that only my disciple needs to be executed in the stake. That was the thing said by the Guru to the king. Let us see how the Guru saves his disciple from the foolish king in our next video.